Hey guys, Dr. Cummins here. Today I want to share a family tea recipe that I give the family and friends to fight a cold, the flu, or a sore throat. First, you're going to grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger root, and you're going to put it into a non-plastic cup or mug. Then you're going to boil 8 to 10 ounces of water, and you're going to pour it over the fresh ginger root. Then you're going to cover the top of the cup with something such as a plate to hold in more of the steam and the heat so you can pull out more of the extracts of the fresh ginger root. After 5 minutes, you're going to add in 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic using a garlic press. Then you're going to add in half of a fresh squeezed lemon. And then you're going to pour that through a strainer into a second non-plastic cup or mug. Then you're going to add in the 3 following ingredients. 1 tablespoon of Bragg's raw apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil, and the most important ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of raw manuka honey. Now you want to get the highest potency you can of the raw manuka honey. This one here is a potency of 400. I have family and friends drink this tea recipe 1 to 3 times a day at the first sign of a cold, the flu, or a sore throat. Here's to the empowered patient and being part of the Dr. Cummins wellness journey.